$1.1 trillion. What? That is the total expected revenue for the e-commerce industry in 2023 once all the numbers get finalized and finish being run. While this might seem like a lot of money, the traditional brick and mortar businesses are expected to do $6, if not $7 trillion in 2023 and 2024. With traditional brick and mortar businesses being on the rise, you would almost expect that e-commerce would be on a decline, but that's far from the case. Now you might be wondering why e-commerce has absolutely no chance of slowing down in the next few years, and in this video, I'm gonna give you the top 3 reasons that I believe after 8 years inside of this industry, that e-commerce is just getting started and has tons of room for growth. First and foremost, Americans especially, but in general, people are lazy. They don't want to leave their house. They don't want to go to the store. They don't want to work. They don't really want to do anything.
I try to live my life at this point with as little effort as possible.
After COVID, the shift towards e-commerce has just been exponentially grown, where people are used to not going to the store or not having to go anywhere or just frankly ordering stuff directly from their phone.
Yeah, people are ordering everything online these days.
You don't have to go anywhere, and you can pretty much order from some of the top e-commerce companies and have your products show up to your doorstep in like 48 hours. So instead of driving 30 minutes each way or 20 minutes each way or even a few minutes each way, you could just order stuff, and that goes for even groceries, and have it show up same day. You could literally have products from Amazon, from Walmart, from Whole Foods show up same day to your house, and you don't have to go anywhere, and you could just do it with a tap of a button on your phone. For most of these websites, you don't even have to type your credit card information in, your delivery information in. You set it up once and then it's on its way to your doorstep. So this just makes it easy for people to be lazy, and rather than going to the store and spending the time looking around, they could just shop on their phone, have it show up, and be at their house in a couple of days max. The second reason is there's a lot wider of a selection for people to actually purchase online compared to in-store. We've all been to a store where we're going in looking for something specific, and then we search high and low for the product, and then we actually can't find it. And then all of us that have done that, we've also then gone to another store to try and find that product that we're looking to buy because we wanted it and we already spent the time, so we might as well get the task done. But e-commerce, that problem doesn't happen. If you're purchasing a product and it's out of stock on one website, you type that product back into Google and you can go on a laundry list of different websites you can order that item for. Or on the big marketplaces, if one seller is out of stock on one specific item on a platform, there's hundreds of other people trying to peddle the same product that you could buy it and get a similar price and a similar delivery time. You can pretty much buy anything that you want online.
Well, what do you think?
Tim, I am blown away by the internet. And my favorite part is the shopping zone.
There's a very select few products that you can't buy, such as age-restricted items or state-restricted items and stuff like that. But in general, you could buy way more things on Amazon or on Walmart or on any website than you can in the store, because the stores only stock so much stuff. But even the same store's website, for example, Macy's.com, has a lot more products on there for you to purchase, and sizes and colors and options, compared to the select ones that they put inside of your local storefront. We've also all been to a brick and mortar store where we want something but they don't have our size, so then we order it in the store and it comes to our house. Why not just go straight to the online source and buy it? That's why this industry continues to grow and will continue to grow. The last reason that I believe e-commerce in general is going to grow as well is because screen time in general is going up year over year for people of all ages. Each year, we're becoming more and more drawn to our phones. Work is on our phone, social media is on our phone, communication with our friends is on our phone. Literally everything that we do in our lives pretty much involves screen time besides driving.
Don't text and drive.
You might wonder why every single social media is coming up with their own shop options. Instagram shops, TikTok shop, and all the other social medias are coming up with options to buy products directly on their platform. Why would these big tech giants be peddling products onto all of their customers when they're making money anyway just off of the ad revenue? The reason is because people are buying, and tech is a $1 trillion industry, and if every social media is doing the same thing where they're putting products to be purchased on their platform, there's obviously a reason, because people are buying them and more people are buying them. Otherwise, Zuckerberg and all of those big guys wouldn't be doing it. So in general, more eyeballs equals more money. And that's why all the people with all the eyeballs and with all the attention are investing into the dollars or the shops where people can buy stuff so they can make more money and without really charging like a specific service, because you're actually getting a physical product. But who do you think is making money off of TikTok Shop? Both the person that sold you the item and TikTok.
Oh, I see.
And of course, one of the biggest players in the e-commerce industry right now is Amazon. And all the different companies are trying to compete with Amazon.com directly because they're the largest marketplace facilitator in the world. I really propelled my journey into e-commerce through Amazon FBA. And if you know what that is, I highly recommend you click the video here. Or if you're interested in learning more about what that is, I created a series for you to learn A through Z how to start, set up, and start selling on Amazon with their FBA program. Link in description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you for your business.